Thousand years ago, what would have man thought about his own creation? It would be like God would have created his sculpture and then would have breathed his soul to Adam. This theory, first of all, is not digested by the intellect of today's man. Because if this was the case of only Adam, then what about the creation of other living creatures? According to this theory, creation of woman become a big question mark. But 1400 years ago, Allah explains the evolution process of human creation in the Quran. And not only the creation of human, He also explains what is the rules that He follows when He wants to create something. He says that I follow two stages of process whenever I want to create something. The first stage is Alam-e-Amr or visionary state. It means bringing something from non-existence to existence. In that stage, he designs the master plan of the species or scheme that he is going to create and set a vision and final destination of the particular species. Now the second stage, that is called creation, comes in. He starts the creation from the first milestone that has been defined as per his master plan, and then that particular species starts moving towards its destination, but slowly and gradually. And this journey, according to human calendar, is completed in thousands of years. Now in the very next verse, he starts explaining about the creation of human and says, creation of human was started from teen. Teen was the first stage, and the second stage, he says that we created man from an extract of clay. This extract of clay is basically a substance which has been cured from the matter, both organic and inorganic. And scientists has proved that only living creatures are the species those have organic and inorganic both components. The fact of the matter is life cell needs this substance, or you can say salts, to grow, not specific to human. Basically, these substances are required to all living creatures. If you look into the food chain cycle, we study that plants are called as producer, who grows by taking the same substance directly from the land with the help of sunlight. Primary source animal who eats plants take these substances from plants. Then second source animals who eats such animals. So the substance is transferred from primary source of animals to secondary source animals. These substances are essential for the growth of life cell. Then his third stage of creation comes in, that is water. As per scientists, the final initial form of life cell, that is called protoplasm, was created from water. That's why we do have similar proportion of salts and minerals as like water in sea. Now the next stage of life cell is explained as teen-lazib, that was created through the combination of clay substance and water and comes into a form of a cell. The form of life cell turned into a form of algae. We know that cell do have a cell body, and inside of the body there is a nucleus. Nucleus do have a great capabilities. We daily witness that a dead or very teeny seed do have the capability of becoming an enormous tree. This is called nafs-e-wahida, or first cell of life. We study in science that after a specific time, cell breaks into two identical cells that we call daughter cells. Then these two makes 4, 4 makes 16, and so on to make the count of millions. As an example, a tree breaks into different branches. God gives the same example regarding the next stage of human creation. And different branches of tree is called different species of living creatures. Now the life, through the process of evolution, came to a point where it could perform sexual reproduction and give a birth from male and female intercourse. At this stage, human stands at the same level like other living creatures. This is called animal life. Allah says physically, you belongs to same community as like other living creatures. This was the stage where the point of opposite sex got visible prominently. Allah creates the pair of everything, not just living creatures. It includes positive and negative. If this would not be the case, then we would never get the cure of our disease from the nature. After this animal stage, when the branch of man amongst the other living creatures reach to the extremist highest point, then Allah says, We proportionated you means improve you, making you balance, beautify you. After getting proportionated, the next stage of human creation is the stage where it got differentiated from the other living creatures. That is, Allah gave us divine energy. As a result of this divine energy, man becomes human. He got sense and heart along with the capability to learn different sciences and make the interpretation and also the capability of storage of information. We becomes intellectual. Capability of learning sciences gave us power to discover the law of nature and then accordingly use them for our own benefit. Because of that energy, we got the personality, ego, self. In Quran, the word nafs is used for that. But we know great power comes great responsibility. Our self become responsible and accountable of our actions and decisions. Now ourselves to have capability to move into next level, but only if we follow the instructions of God regarding the development of self. And if we succeed in developing ourselves, then physical death won't make us dead. We will go into the next round and will evolve further. In the next vlog, we will discuss how to develop this self and what is self relation with God. If you like this video, then please share your comments. And if you want to appreciate this effort, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.